Competition among organizations has intensified. Globalization and the rapid growth of digital marketplaces mean businesses must constantly navigate a crowded and complex landscape. The primary challenge in this environment is differentiation. Organizations struggle to distinguish their specific products and services from a vast array of global competitors. A trademark serves as the definitive tool for achieving this critical market distinction. According to the provided text, a trademark is a recognizable sign, symbol, logo, word, phrase, or design. Its purpose is to identify and differentiate the goods or services of one business from those of another. This differs from physical assets like factories or inventory. While those have clear tangible value, a trademark represents the intangible worth of a company. This intangible equity protects the reputation and goodwill of a business, capturing the value of customer perceptions. In highly competitive markets, brand equity frequently outgrows physical property value. It becomes a significant component of overall worth, dictating long-term market presence. The trademark functions as the primary repository for an organization's long-term financial and strategic value. Psychologically, the trademark serves as the visible identity of a business, often acting as the first point of interaction with a customer. Consumers use these marks to simplify the purchasing process. Familiarity with a trademark reduces uncertainty, allowing buyers to bypass unknown options and select a brand they recognize. Recognition triggers specific expectations. Customers associate the mark with established standards of quality, reliability, and performance. Without a distinctive mark, consumers cannot easily remember or relocate a business. This lack of identification effectively nullifies the resources invested in developing products and services. Repeated satisfaction with a product builds trust in the mark over time. This temporal compounding effect transforms a simple logo into a symbol of reliability. This trust fosters customer loyalty and establishes a stable customer base, which is critical for maintaining a strong market presence. The psychological function of trademark is to convert isolated transactions into a predictable and permanent market relationship. To protect the trust established with consumers, businesses rely on a formal legal framework that grants exclusive rights to their identity. Formal registration provides the owner exclusive rights to use the mark for specific goods or services, preventing competitors from using similar symbols that might cause confusion. A fundamental objective of trademark law is the prevention of consumer confusion. As the source text explains, this ensures that customers can clearly identify the source of their products and make informed decisions. These legal mechanisms allow businesses to take action against infringement and counterfeiting. This enforcement is necessary to maintain product integrity and prevent the unauthorized dilution of the brand. Effective protection in a globalized economy requires international coordination. Institutions like the World Intellectual Property Organization provide the governance necessary for cross-border trade. This system relies on international bodies to define and uphold standards for fair competition, ensuring that brand identities are respected across different jurisdictions. Counterfeiting remains a persistent challenge. Through trademark rights, these illicit products are legally identified and blocked, protecting the producer's revenue and consumer safety. Trademark law functions as a dual-sided mechanism. It shields the producer's market share while protecting the consumer from deceptive practices. Beyond legal defense, a trademark can be utilized as an active financial asset to drive aggressive business growth. A well-known mark represents years of investment in advertising, product development, and customer service. This allows for commercialization, where the trademark itself becomes a distinct product that generates its own revenue streams. Through licensing, third parties pay to use a recognized brand identity, creating income without additional production. Franchising further multiplies market reach, allowing a business to expand globally by leveraging its reputation without the capital expenditure of building physical infrastructure. Institutional investors view strong trademarks as primary indicators of long-term profitability and market dominance. Consequently, companies with highly valued trademarks are better positioned to secure financing and pursue growth opportunities. The trademark functions as an economic multiplier, transforming a local business into a scalable multi-revenue corporate network. This scalability is essential in the digital commerce era, where a company's physical location is no longer a barrier to entry. In digital marketplaces, consumers often navigate by searching for specific brand names rather than browsing generic categories. Digital brand protection secures the company's online presence by locking down unauthorized domain names and deceptive social media accounts. Maintaining this digital integrity prevents deceptive practices that could instantly damage the trust accumulated with consumers. As the research materials state, established trademark goodwill in one market facilitates expansion into others. It provides a strategic foundation for introducing products to new global regions. International trademark protection is the primary mechanism that allows companies to operate globally while preserving a unified brand identity. In a volatile digital economy, the trademark serves as the primary mechanism for maintaining global corporate integrity. These principles apply not only to multinational corporations, but also to small and medium-sized enterprises and emerging startups. For startups, trademark protection provides the foundation for building market recognition. As noted in the text, these systems reward originality and encourage businesses to invest in quality and innovation. As these marks gain recognition, they influence consumer habits and lifestyles, eventually reflecting the values and achievements of the businesses behind them. Throughout the commercial cycle, trademarks operate as tools for psychological identification, legal enforcement mechanisms, and drivers of economic value. A trademark represents trust, quality, reputation, and business value. In an increasingly competitive marketplace, effective trademark protection remains a cornerstone of sustainable business success.